Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2005 Ford F-150. Stock number is A7655. Starting right away up front, you have easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels wrapped with Hankook Dynapro tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top you do have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side. You have the FX4 off-road package on here. Factory trailer hitch on the back. Spray-in bed liner keeps the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise controls, four-wheel drive, full stereo, that includes a CD player, climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-150 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.